Number one is one comes down to one limiting belief, and that's the limiting belief that my artwork speaks for itself. The artwork don't speak for itself. And if it does, it doesn't speak better than you could speak for it because it doesn't fucking talk, you know? You should be able to sell your artwork. And I mean, what I've realized and what I teach my artists is like, yo, if you're having problems charging a certain price and people are walking out saying that's too expensive or that's too much, it's like, well, my question to them is like, well, what if they knew all the years and tasks and dedication that you put into this like you do? They'd probably pay your price, right? So maybe you should start creating content around that stuff. Document your process.